Hey, what's up, guys? How you doing? My name is Mel. Welcome to holmzlaw. Today we're going to be reviewing this tool vest, okay? Exactly 4230, the all-around Hi-Vis tool vest, class 1. Okay, now, I did one before on the orange one, so it's basically the same thing, but I missed out a few features that I want to bring up today. Okay, first of all, mostly what I wanted to show you was that this vest here, you can get it the right size to fit you perfectly, okay? And if you want to wear it over a vest, you can, because it actually gives you this feature here where it gives you this extra piece here that you could actually make it a little longer and zip it up, and it'll go perfectly over a jacket without even bothering you. Okay, secondly, what I didn't mention before was that you have these pockets in the front that are right behind the front pockets, and they're very large. I mean, you can fit a lot of stuff in there. Usually what I put in here is my writing pad and my electrical reference book. Now, what's good about it is that you have them on both sides, and like I said, they're very, very large pockets, okay? Another feature is that you have the shoulder straps here that are adjustable, okay? You can actually make them longer. Here, let me adjust that. Or you can shorten it up just by using the Velcro, okay? So that works perfectly to make this fit to your needs, okay? You have these pencil pockets and marker pockets. You don't have to fight all the time for getting them out. They have all different sizes right on the same spot, okay? Another thing is that the feature they have here for the Holterfor's knife, I've mentioned it before, they have all these buttons that clip onto the case from the Holterfor's knife, okay, and they go in here to make it more secure. The Snickers pants, the trousers also have these buttons on. Most of the trousers have them. Okay, these pockets here are good pockets for bits, material, supplies, small supplies. You can actually close it up if you don't want to keep it open, but if you're actually working and it's in your way and you rather have it open, then you can. It'll Velcro and it'll stay in place. Okay, I usually like to keep my bits in here. Most of the time when I'm running around doing a lot of mechanical stuff, I'll have my sockets in here from 3/4 all the way down to a quarter inch. I'll have some Allen key bits here on this side, like the 1/4 inch and the 3/8, and then a Phillips bit, the square bit, I'll have in here. Things that I'm going to use all the time. All right. In these pockets up here, you can keep your phone. That's what they made this for. It has extra padding. I don't keep my phone in here. What I usually do is I'll keep pen testers in here, and along with a few other goodies in here I'll have. Okay, in the front here, this is where I keep my phone and my calculator. I'll have other goods in here, different sets of writing pads, or I'll even have some nut drivers in here as well, or small spanners I'll have in there. These two front pockets, I'll have one for material, the other one I'll have pliers, channel locks in here, a couple of sets of screwdrivers just to get me around. In my back pockets, I like that they're big enough. I can have my my Milwaukee M12 Impact on one side, and then I have my tape measure on the other side. Now these front pockets here are pretty big, just like the back ones, but they have extra 3 pockets in the front that you can put small tools in here. In the front of that, you have these actual loops that me personally, I like to put screwdrivers in. Just if you do, make sure that they go in perfectly, because if they hang out too much, then it's top heavy, it'll start falling out of the pocket, and that can be a pain. All right, so along with this, I went ahead and I got me some accessories that I needed. Okay, that I've actually made the decision to get these because I felt it would make the tool vest that much better. Okay, and what I got with that, one of them was the 9764 long tool pouch. Made all of their Cordura fabric. Has the Snickers sign on the side. This is all the Cordura. It's nice and flexible. Okay, it has some kind of like small, padding on the back. It seems pretty cheap. Seems like cardboard. But the material I know is good because I've actually, buy their stuff. So I know this material and I know it's pretty strong. But what I got this for was for either my ratchet or my big channel locks, my 12-inch channel locks. I can place them in here because I can't really place them in these pockets. You know, they won't stay. So that's what I got this for, so that when I actually do need to carry around a bigger set of channel locks or a ratchet or spanners, I can actually have somewhere to put them where they'll be secured. I don't have to worry about them falling out of my pocket. Okay, so that's that. This also has the holster for, you know, button that way you could put your knife at. And it has two additional small pockets that I'd like to put my spanners in, or maybe screwdrivers or whatever else I want to put in here that I can. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this. Something else that I brought to the family was the Snickers hammer holder, the 9762 hammer holder pouch. Okay, it's a combination hammer holder and pouch. I got this because when I'm actually carrying around, I don't have a big hammer or nothing like that. What I like to carry around is a small 2-pound sledgehammer. I believe it's perfect, you know, compact, and it does what I need. But when I'm using it, I usually don't have anywhere where I can set it down, where I can grab it again right away. So I went ahead and I got this so that I can put my actual sledgehammer there. And it comes with an extra pocket that I was hoping would go through and I could put my banging screwdriver in here, but it's not the case. So what I could actually end up putting in here is my utility knife, and that would work out just as good, okay, because I can get right to it from here. Now, these can get placed on the actual vest anywhere. I can put them here on the belt, or I can use the Velcro portion in the back where I can actually hook that up to this, because this opens up and I can slide that on and it'll lock it in place. Same thing goes with this one. I can put it on the other side because there's two of them on the vest. Okay, there's another one here on this side. All right, so most likely what I'll do is I'll keep the hammer holder probably on the belt loop, and I'll keep the actual tool pouch on the Velcro, just so that it's easy to get to. All right, now I'm not sponsored by Snickers, just so that you know. I just really like the company. I just came across it a few years ago and I loved it. I seen a coworker wearing the gear and it looked pretty good. Looked pretty cool on top of that as well. So I went ahead and I bought some stuff, and I'm happy with it. The material lasts, I mean, through countless washes and wear and tear, and it lasts a long time. So I really do swear by it. Like I said, I'm not sponsored by them. I wish I was, but I'm not. Now, along with that, that's pretty much it here. Now, I'm going to actually end this, but before I do, I'm on Discord live answering any questions that you have weekly, Sunday nights. If anything ever happens and I have to cancel, I'll let you know ahead of time. You can also catch me on other platforms like IG, TikTok, Facebook, Reddit, Snapchat. I'm almost everywhere. Twitter as well. The ones that you'll see me mostly on is on Facebook, TikTok, and IG. I'm constantly posting daily content on there, tips and tricks. I'm answering questions as well. So if there's something that you think that you're interested in as far as joining the live Q&A, just send me a message and I'll send you a private link to the actual event. Okay, and with that, guys, my name is Mel. Thank you for watching, and I'm out.